Alright, welcome back again. Right now I'm going to show you how to create YouTube account. Well, first of all, you create Gmail account. I hope you guys are seeing me. You create an account. Alright, the website to create the account is account.google.com. okay, you type accounts.google.com/sign up. okay, you enter your name, then say I wanna put a name here just for King. Alright, King is done. That's my name, my whatever, my second name. Okay, alright, there, click there. Let's say 12. I say this 12 year 1997. okay, 1997, gender male. Alright, good. Okay, English done. Now this Google is very smart. It now select the one you wish to. You can select for you, but you can say no. Use your existing, no. Create your own address. You say create your own address. You know, it's okay. King. It's done. You know your name, you create your own, you click next. If someone has taken this name, okay. King is done. Pause. Let me see the person that can check this now. You then create a strong password. Okay. You repeat the same password. You can click show, but it's not necessary for me to show you guys. Then my recover email should be you have to have a recover email in case if you have another email and you want to create another one. I'm doing it for those who have an email before. If you don't have an email, just click skip. You key in your phone number here, or if you don't want to key in your phone number, you skip. But it's very necessary for them to send you a code. Okay, and also, okay. 081. Okay. King is done. Alright. King is done, boss. Alright, cool. That's cool, guys. You click agree. You click okay. Alright, that's good. It will not take you to, if you are making use of Mac, then it will take you to another page. Guys, it will take you to another page so that you work on it only without mixing any other email. Okay. And King is done. Click done. Alright guys, that's cool. We have created an email. Okay, we have created an email. That's cool guys. Once you have created an email, you check the email address. Okay, it's cool. You check the email itself. All this thing can be done with your phone. Don't worry about that. Okay, that's cool. Alright, the Google will now send you an email. You check. Hi, this thing is done. All this thing is not necessary. Okay, let me see the policy. That's cool. We have confirmed everything. You can now, if you want to protect your account, you can click and protect your account and follow the instruction. Okay, we now see click and protect to verify your account. Now it's okay, verify. You key in your password. For them to send a message to your line. Then alright, that's cool. Okay, we'll receive a code right now. Okay, alright, I've received the code already. Answer 448 62 51. That is the code. Done. Your account is now cool. It's now fully secured, because someone cannot enter your Gmail or log into your Gmail without Gmail sending a code to verify. Okay, you have already protected your Gmail account. That's cool guys. That's cool. You click on Gmail. Yes, you are good to go. You are good to go. Alright, thank you.